sausage, buddy.
Well, but,
I quit on the sausage.
it's so fucking
Yes.
He put jalapeno Alfredo sauce on it.
Sick fuck. He likes hot, big hot sausage.
Oh, there's hot sausage in the freezer. That's sweet.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Big hot sausage.
What?
Hey, shut the camera off.
Alright, well, no, I'm filming his eating session. I've never seen anybody take such big bites in my entire life. He's talking to me. He's got the Alfredo sauce dripping down his chin in 2 spots.
What you do with sausage? Why you guys talking about sausage?
Sausage. Big, thick Italian sausage.
I was feeling fair last night.
You're fucking dirty.
That was awesome.
Look at this one.
I thought you weren't going to be able to finish it.
I'm hungry.
Heating up the sausage and peppers, he's eating cold ribs.
Shut that fucking camera off, please.
Listen.